Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for everything two-wheeled and thrilling. Today, we're checking out the fierce and lightweight 2025 KTM 390 Duke. This naked Streetfighter has long been a favorite among entry-level and seasoned riders alike, thanks to its agile handling and aggressive performance. The latest model takes things up a notch with a sharper design, improved electronics, and a few engine tweaks that make it more exciting than ever. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Duke a standout in the sub-400cc category. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 390 Duke arrives with a refreshed, edgier look that screams attitude from every angle. Drawing cues from its bigger siblings, the new design features a split LED headlight, sleeker bodywork, and a sharper tail section for a more dynamic stance. KTM has introduced bold new colorways with striking graphics that highlight the bike's aggressive personality. Lightweight alloy wheels and a more compact tail tidy add to the Streetfighter vibe, making the Duke just as eye-catching parked at the cafe as it is tearing through city traffic or twisty backroads. Performance and powertrain. Powered by a 399 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, the 2025 390 Duke now pumps out slightly more power, around 45 horsepower, offering an exhilarating ride in a lightweight package. Engine refinements and updated gearing improve mid-range torque and throttle response, making it even more thrilling off the line. The chassis has been revised for better weight distribution and improved handling. A new ride-by-wire system, lighter frame, and WP Apex suspension ensure that the bike remains agile and precise whether you're darting through urban streets or pushing it on weekend canyon runs. Safety and technology. KTM packs the 2025 Duke with an impressive electronics suite for its class. Riders now get a larger, full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a user-friendly interface. Cornering ABS, Supermoto mode, and updated traction control are all part of the package, giving riders the confidence to push limits safely. The inclusion of a bidirectional Quickshifter adds a premium feel, while adjustable levers and improved switchgear bring both comfort and functionality to the riding experience, proving KTM's commitment to performance without compromise. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM 390 Duke isn't just an entry-level naked, it's a high-performance machine packed into a lightweight, rider-friendly package. With its aggressive design, upgraded powertrain, and class-leading tech, it continues to raise the bar for what a small displacement bike can deliver. Perfect for commuters, weekend warriors, and aspiring track stars alike, the 390 Duke is built to thrill. For more reviews, ride insights, and motorcycle updates, keep it locked to Gear Grinders, where passion meets the pavement and every ride is a new adventure.